question, Rav. If an unmarried young woman who is by extent not permitted to use the mikveh, or a goy submerged in a lake with the intention to purify themselves, would it work?
Could you please say it again, please? If unmarried woman.
If an unmarried young woman who is by extent not permitted to use the mikveh,
Yes.
or a goy submerged in a lake with the intention to purify themselves, would it work?
Yeah, it would work for a Jewish woman for sure. It's going to work. I mean, the lake is the best mikveh, the most kosher mikveh possible, right? For a goy, it's not going to work because the non-Jew is not impure. Right? There's nothing to fix. Only Jewish men and women can be impure, and they can be pure. For non-Jews, there is no such a thing. So that's why when they can be together when she's nida. There is no concept of nida for them. When there is no sin, there is no problem. Maybe it's discussed and this and that, not appropriate, but that's a different issue. It's not like they're going to get punished, and right, there is no problem. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.